Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm the Psych Autoscore and today we'll be talking about the Conners-3 short form autoscoring template. If you do like this template, go ahead and check out the link in the description to get access to it for yourself. This should be used by people that have experience scoring the Conners-3 short form, and it is a useful tool that people can use to quickly score their patients' reports. Alright, so in this auto-scoring template, we'll see three main tabs. We'll see the teacher report tab, the parent report tab, and the self-report tab. They all look pretty similar. They have a similar number of questions, and they do have different scales, but they look similar just at a glance. So, in order to use this, what you'll do is you'll enter in the patient's sex and date of birth and date of the test. That'll calculate the age and give you the correct T-scores that you need. So, the options for the test are male or female. There's a drop-down menu here just to help out with that, because spelling mistakes can mess up the formulas. And then we have the date of birth. I'm using a made-up patient, of course. The date of birth is 1/15/2016, and the date of the test is 1/15/2024. So once we do that, we'll calculate the age of the patient and the age group. That's just based on the scoring forms and not too critical to the test, this age group here. So just one note as well, Microsoft, when you change your region, might change how the dates work. So since I'm in America, I use the month, day, then year format. If this format isn't working for you and you're outside of the United States, go ahead and try doing the day, month, year format instead. And if either of those don't work, you can go ahead and just put the patient age right here and cancel out that formula. All the other formulas will work as long as this has the correct age in cell C5. Alright, so when you're using it, you'll enter in the scores from the scoring grid. Not the patient scores, but the scoring grid, the kind of the carbon copy back side of the report. So we'll have either 0, 1, 2, or 3. If you want to use the drop-down menu just to remind yourself what responses are available, you can use that. And then when you're entering it, it'll be slightly slow. You only have to do 40, and it'll look something like that. If you already have the patient scores on Excel somehow, you can go. So I have some fake scores right here, just using a random number generator. If you paste them in, use paste special and then paste values. And so we're going to see some pretty crazy values because this is randomly generated, and so this is going to be pretty artificially inflated, right? And then we'll do the same thing. Same thing will happen on the this side of things. So we'll pretend this is a parent report, entering the date of birth, date of the test, and then the scores. I should also note this column here in E, each tab will have it. This is just to double check the work that you do to make sure that you didn't mistype something. If you do have the same score as what you typed previously, it'll show up as green. And if there's a difference between column D and column E, it'll turn up red in column E. These are optional. It won't affect the NT scores or anything like that. Alright, just one more. And then this will be male. And last set of fake scores. So copy this in, and again, make sure you do paste special and paste values only. Otherwise the formatting will get thrown off. And we can see that once we've done all those, that we now have the raw scores for each scale, as well as the T-scores. The positive impression and negative impression don't have t-scores. It just says whether or not there is a positive or negative response style. And looks like in this case it was for, I believe, all three of the tabs. Yeah, that's just because we use random number generators. All right, hopefully you find this helpful. If you do like it, go ahead and like and subscribe and check out the link in the description to access to this. All right, thank you so much.